Welcome, just dear listener. Just chimes for investigation. Press right into Mott's veil. Circs and reappliers. For my miss to listen call. In if with the diet as well said. Her plus in its songs cast. In that please keeps piercing. In this session what you're with it do mods a matter as they're helping to release their anxiety and tension. In the migraines to my dang excess. Body use up a mighty thumb spirits plenty. For well love to you, and readies in a light in ice door, that work off to you so makes plea, gaze and energy is inner calm, as the set, will do for like your head, and embrace self to take a deep breath in. Feel your cess is late exhale as you each breath into herbal juices. Into your mimes will renew. With each breath imagine yourself sink into a fine relaxation into restless bed. Your gets bubbles stirring again to your water. In the vertebratus to my excitation, we find is more receptive to positive suggestion. As I guide you through months till I go, the sun's fiddler and heavy for weeks. For on needs to this something. In this let your mind for instance, where there be less taking the sun's cast, dread ambins keep to beast. As I guide you through this hypnotic relaxation, where is there within sex revelation? In the brain that to my excitations, where you use in and become some parent state to me. For honest to feeling, and where build your mind and my sick for, where cause a kill me is ditties, and patience and beach is ether in the mountains. And the sun's war be, where the Euphrates for back, where rebases pertained backward, the state of accession to see, resulting keys journal, in it easy to let go of any limitations, and your unspinment ready. In this imagined health in a peaceful setting, perhaps a quiet forest or beach with curves and sentence, wherever you feel most at ease, that's a journey there. Research has shown that hypnosis with insomnia refers to Canus curses and scene to read the scene on calming imagery than any. You keep calling your eyed interpretations. Will focus on about safety and security, allowing you to let go of the day's worries. To retop and seep them restless and sores. Nothing but the days and sore them of sleep You'll learn to suppress your ability to relax and drift off, knowing that it's not something you base and will come naturally when you allow it. To begin, health helps to release physical tension. Relax muscle growth and parasitic group in your body. Next, we'll move into guided imagery, where I'll invite you to visualize a scene. That could be a place for mercy occasions. We overread this mercy occasion, and you read to see positive affirmation, your body becoming more and more relaxed. That could immerse your more theory open. Son, have fun. This is a pulsing to see feel you understand. To think and deep to pulse and pretty care. Find to tend up our imaginations into the sleep. Affirmations will help to quiet any of the shakes, allowing you to drift off in deep and you relax from on disability, allowing you to drift of self-life for days back to the peace. As we continue our journey to a peaceful slumber, progressive land is a relaxation or vision. Gently let go and any to any before then you're riding into a brand. Gullies be more relaxed in every turning. Let's begin by focus on your feet. Curl your toes into the bristles and scorny. Let's begin to attention see on this. DX to from the nunny tool, though it can't our guess be to read for its blindness and day. Deep breath it depends in every daily any dairy. Curl to spell then in backs in every deco. And now when it's winning in, and the linen it corrected to see. And the presentence for a Felix. Bring your attention to be no self-exterminating. Let's begin by focus on your feet. Both be themed up and lower back. Let's begin also for more and more and no. So we have fun and see blood to be busy and the day. Deep breath depends in every dairy. Didn't again in the first 3 days as. And these will night to bring to tensions. And healing in the most smoothly, feeling a sense of relief as the tension so slowly melts away. Bring your awareness now to your arms and hands, so know. And as you receive the careless for rest attention, you breathe this you on. To this, to only get there to your agenda, leaving you feeling light, relaxed, and a biff. And as you exhale, let them drop down, feeling the weight of the day, leaving you feeling light and peace. Take a moment now to scan your entire body from head to toe. Notice any areas that may still hold a bit of tension. And when the sea accent and moves it from a come to toe, know though like fists feet are ready in your entire body, feeling clear. With your body relaxed and ready to welcome a night of deep, your active super body now fully relaxed. It's time to engage your mind in a calming visualization, guided image or nurse for fairies. We do a read, score something B. Guide imagery is a powerful technique. In a place of perfect tranquility, and could create the atmosphere where you feeling environment. Solid efforts and extremes. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a serene forest. The trees around you are tall and majestic, their leaves rustling gently in the breeze. And as you walk slowly along a soft mossy path, filtering through the leaves with soft tints of pine and earth,